Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make a beautiful granny square. I have some for samples you can see. So first of all you have to make a chain of 5. Here I am using a hook of 5 mm. And then a slip stitch into the first chain. So you can make a loop, see. Now chain 2. And we have to make 15 double crochet, like 15 and 2 chain. So like we will count these 2 chain as 1 double crochet, so total it will be 16. So 1 the chain, sorry, 2 chain and then 15 double crochet. So if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like it then please share it. And this channel has a cause behind it. Yeah, this I started this channel for some purpose. Yeah, and I hope everybody will be with me, help me in this purpose. So there will be 16, like I made 15 double crochet and there was 2 chain at the beginning, so now they are total 16. I'm going to change in the color. So insert hook at any space between 2 double crochet, not at this top chain. I'm putting between the space. Chain 2, yarn over, pull another loop, yarn over, pull another loop, yarn over, and another. So I'm going to do it 3 times, and there will be 7 loops on the hook, and then chain 1. Again 1, 2, 3. My kids are walking around. You can see their small feet. 1, 2, and 3. There should be 7 loops on the hook, and then pull them and then make a chain. So I'm going to do it throughout. At the end there will be 16 puffs. Actually these are puff stitch, so at the end there will be 16 puffs, you will see. So there we are at the end, doing the same thing. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. Again, yes, pull all the 7 loops and then chain 1. Again, for ending I'm putting the hook in the first chain and then slip stitch. Done. This is our second round. So now we are going to start our third round. You can start from any point, any space. Put a yarn, chain 3, yarn over, pull 1, then pull the stitch through 2. Again yarn over, another loop, and then pull through 2, yarn over, and then pull another loop, and then pull the hook from the first 2 stitches. See, so we will do, and there will be total 5 loops on the hook at the end. See, 5. Now pull them all from a single loop and then chain 2, 1 and 2. So we have to do the same thing from into each puff stitch space. We are going to do in the space, not on the chain. Okay, again, one time, 2, 3 and 4. Now see, there are 5 loops on the hook. Pull them all from a single loop, chain 1 and 2. So keep doing this throughout the round. See you at the end. So we are doing the same thing from each space between the 2 puff stitches, like the same. Pull from first 2. There are 5 loops on the hook, and then pull them all and chain 2. Put your hook into the first chain. See, like this. Yeah, this is, and a slip stitch. Just make it tight. So this is our 3rd round. So now we are going to start our 4th and the final round. There you can count the there should be 16 at the end. Yeah, they are 16. So now we are going to change the color. I'm going to change the color. It's up to you. Start from any point. Okay, so you have to make. Okay, so now we change the color, and 1, 2, 3, chain 3, yarn over, put into the same space, and then 1. You have to do, see, 3 treble crochets, chain 2. We are counting 2 chain that we did at the start. It's as a 1 treble crochet, and then 2 more, then chain 2, and then again 3. In this video, I think I'm doing it double crochet, but actually we have to do 3. Yeah, this is the right one. We have to do 3 treble. Now 3 double crochet into the next space. 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to do 3 half double crochet into the next space. 1, 2 and 3 half double crochet. Now 3 double crochet into the next space. 1, 2 and 3. So now we are on the second corner. We have to make 3 treble crochet. 1, 2. I'm making the corner. So again 3. So 3 treble crochet and chain 2. 1, 2. Again 3. So we have to do it from the 4 sides. Like we have to repeat the same thing. 3 treble crochet, then chain 2, and then 3 treble crochet for the corner, and then 3 double crochet into the next space, 3 half double crochet into the next space, and 3 double crochet into the next space.